Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you how to submit a trouble ticket for service issues for your Pioneer account on SmartHub using your Apple mobile app. Let's get started. First, log into your SmartHub app. On the SmartHub home screen, press the Report an Issue Inquiry option at the top of the screen. Then select Communications Issue. Here you will select your service type and issue from the corresponding selections. Give a description of the issues you are experiencing in the comments box. Try to be as detailed about the issue as possible, as this will help the technician to properly troubleshoot. Once everything has been filled out, select Continue. Here, list the phone number you would like to be called at in the Phone section. Next, toggle both switches to red. Then click Send. The technicians will receive your ticket and contact you to troubleshoot the service issue as quickly as possible. If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.